Hi, I'm going to do a review on the Ruby Forex EA. So basically, as you can see on their website here, and let me just go down and show you a few things. Their website, cool, very cool, guys. Cool website, so cool. But here it is, guys. When it comes to things like this, right, Forex, whatever, business online, there are a few things that I want you to know and understand very well, right? When it comes to things like this, guys, the first thing that you need to do, you need to take whatever business is in front of you, look at it, guys, and after going through it, decide whether it's something that you really feel that, you know, in your heart, something that you can take. And then if you feel it's something that you can take, guys, you take it, right? Because a lot of people, they make a lot of mistakes, right? They think that somebody else has to decide for them, right? But you got to decide it yourself. So right now I've looked through this, right, and I've made my decision of what I'm going to do, right? And this is what you need to do. And what are the things that you need to look at when you get a business? Number one, you got to look at the leadership of the business. Does it have a good leadership? If you like the leadership, great. Then the next thing, you got to look at the community. Does it have a community? If it does have a nice community where you can thrive, great. Then the next thing that you look at is, do they have a good system that you think you'll enjoy, right? If you think that's something that you'll enjoy, great, again, you take it, right? And then the next thing that you look at, guys, you look at yourself, right? Number one, you got to be somebody who's willing to graft. I mean, who's ready to work really hard, guys. Because a lot of people, they come online and they think that when you come online, what's going to happen is that money will just begin to pop out of your computer, right? You go past the cash machine, money just pours out of you. Something crazy, right? But it doesn't work that way. You need a little bit of hard work, right? And also, you need to be somebody who is willing to learn, guys, right? And you got to be somebody also who's got the faith. You got to have faith, right? And the real path to faith that you really need when it comes to this is risk. Risk is like you find something good, right? And let's say it's like it's falling down the drain, then you jump in, and you hope that God will hold you so you don't fall inside. Something crazy, but that's part of risk. Risk is just that. And what happens normally when you take a risk and you've calculated it properly, you will win and some you will lose, okay? And the other thing that you really need, guys, is coaching. What is coaching? Coaching is more or less like this, guys. Imagine yourself going to a city, like you're looking for a friend. You don't know exactly where they stay. When you get into that city, you meet with this guy, and this guy just holds your hand and take you straight to where you are going. Right? That's what coaching is all about. So if you're interested in coaching as well, make sure you click on that link below this video. Contact us, will be able to help you out. Thank you so much, and make sure you share this, and bye for now.